Alex here, AMRC, and the UMX Twin Otter, and it's on wheels. Weather is not that good. It was drizzling a bit earlier, so let's get this thing in the air fast. Yep, it's drizzling just a bit, but let's get this thing in the air. It's been a while. I hate taking the floats off and putting them on this. And with my luck, we're probably gonna get snow soon. And I want to put them back on, but I haven't flown this for some time. And yeah, of course I have a few days off. And the forecast's terrible. Rain every day. It's been getting cold. Had to turn the heat on a few days ago. It's not it's not even October yet. And yeah. Usually waited until November to turn the heat on and turn it off, I don't know, end of May, beginning of June, at least in the past couple of years. But it's got too cold too fast. Hopefully it's just a phase and it will pass. Ooh, birdies. It's really cold at night. Yeah, what else? Day's getting shorter. I would like to do some night flying, but I don't know if you've seen the news, what's going on in Norway and Denmark especially, with those drones over airports. I heard they banned all drone flights in Denmark for a week. So yeah, I don't know, I'm kind of weary of flying at night, at least for now, because who knows what people might say. Don't want to get in trouble. And also, they considered these drones, well, probably not the sub 250 grams. So, might stick to UMX for a while. Twatter! Just because legally it's not an issue flying them. You don't have cameras on them or anything like that. Twatter! Yeah, it's really messy. Oh, and just yesterday, our neighbor and sister country Moldova had elections for the parliament. There are some big concerns with Russian influence, manipulating social media, TikTok, everything. And we had that same thing over here, and hurts me to say they were successful here in promoting their interests. Not fully successful, but a lot more successful than Moldova. I've seen this morning the pro-European party got about 50% of the votes, so that's gonna be good for them. They're on track to join the European Union. It's a small, not well-known country, but it's mostly inhabited by Romanians, but it's been part of the USSR after World War II till it broke up. And you can imagine it's been heavily influenced by the USSR during that time. Ooh, ooh, that was close. Hope I caught that on camera. Wanted to do a touch and go, but I parked my car on the other side, which I don't usually do. But the vegetation here is a bit tall, and I don't want to scratch it. Ooh. Does this have telemetry? No. Okay, I get you. 5 minutes are up. Okay, let's try landing. Come on, come on. Ooh, that was bad. But I'll take it. Don't want to risk it. Yeah, so troubling times, but hopefully they'll be over. We can enjoy flying our whirligigs without any worries. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget, drop some comments, like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Bye!